Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to contact NordVPN support. So right now I will show you total 2 methods to contact with NordVPN. First of all, on your browser open nordvpn.com. Make sure to sign into your NordVPN account. Once you are in your account dashboard, here scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will get NordVPN support mail, support@nordaccount.com. Now you can use these support email to directly mail to NordVPN. And the second method is come to your account dashboard and here click on Help Center and click on NordVPN Help Center. And now to start live chat with NordVPN support, just click on the chat icon. And now enter here your name and enter here your email address and click on send. Now you can easily start live chat with NordVPN support. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.